How to turn on an iPhone 14 Pro. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can turn on your iPhone 14, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In my case it's already turned on, but I'll just show you how you can do that as well. So let me go ahead and simply turn off my iPhone 14 by going to settings, going to general, scrolling down to the bottom, selecting shutdown, and then just sliding to power it off. Now also keep in mind that in order to turn it on you should have enough charge in it, because if you do not have charge you will not be able to turn on your iPhone. Make sure it's connected to a power supply and make sure it has charge in it. And then after that you simply want to press this side button, which is on the right hand side of the screen. So let me go ahead and press a side button. It may take some time to actually go ahead and then load it. You'll hear a beep sound and you'll also see the Apple logo just right in front of you, and then it is going to take some time to actually turn on your iPhone 14, and your iPhone should successfully turn on. That's all it takes to turn on an iPhone 14. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.